Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And if you're a new viewer, definitely go to this channel and watch all these learning videos. If it is helping you, hit the subscribe button to be a part of the Smart Trader family. If you want to be part of my secret Telegram channel, then you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstox, Angel Broking, or Alice Brew, any of this one. All right, so hope you guys had a great day today. So I just did a trade in scalping in Grasim today. So it was a quick trade, hardly 6 to 7 minutes, around 10:20 I just took, and 10:27 I just booked my profit. So there was nothing much to talk about it. And anyways, like we discussed in our previous video, if you're not seen this video, check out my story of my intraday scalper, my student success story. So we have decided to make 2 live trading videos and 2 learning or 3 learning videos, then motivation videos. So we are already done with 2 learning live trading videos for the week. So I didn't go to record this. Anyways, it was very quick. So I just kept my target of 0.3. It was done. Around 80,000 was used only. So around it's like close to 1-2% of the capital. Anyways, in this particular video, we will be discussing how to pick stocks basically for scalping. So there are many ways to pick a stock and all that I've told you guys, but for scalping also there is a way how you can pick, and different logic needs to be applied. See, always picking a stock is one task. After taking a stock, decision making is one more task, along with whether you're applying price action, whether you're applying technicals, whether you're applying any tools, anything. So that is an entry. Decision making thing is next, then entry exit is next, but picking is the main thing. If you don't pick the right stock at the right time, what's the point of applying all these technicals and price action, and later it doesn't even move? The idea is to take the stock where people are actually investing and making money, or where the stock is actually moving, so that we can as a scalper take advantage of these movements, right? So I'll be telling you 4 easy methods which you can start off. Later part I will do a lot of part 1, part 2, or part 3, how much ever I can do, but I'll just tell you 4 basic which you can start observing and do paper trading right away. So the number one is very easy. Let's go to nseindia.com, the basic website everybody use. So the NSE website, and you can go to the market data, and everyone would have been familiar with this equity. So basic to basic is first pick a stock from Nifty 50. So I basically pick certain stocks from Nifty 50. If market is normal, I just take a stock from Nifty 50. I will see the market direction. If market was green, I would have gone with top stocks for the day at that particular time. This is end of the day, okay? So at that particular time, whichever is the top stock, I go with that. 1 or 2 stocks I decide later which to go in first, second, third, or fourth, like that. So let's say today the market was negative in the morning. Okay, so I'll just try to show you how the market was. So morning, if you see, this is the morning. So market was going down and down and down. So during this down process, I thought I'll take an advantage towards the sell side. Later, if you see, after that 11:15, the market has turned towards, it's recovering, neutral, and going up. But anyways, at that particular trend, it was negative. So I just took the top negative stock for that particular time. Let's say it was Eicher Motor was first and then Grasim was second. So I took both in my radar, and then I decided, okay, Grasim is a stock which I have to go with. And then I finally shorted Grasim around how much? 40 to something, yeah, 1342.35. I shorted Grasim, and I just calculated 0.3 percentage in my system. It was around 5 rupees or something like that. So I just calculated 5 rupees in my mind and just minus 5, that is 1337.35. I just put a limit order and it quickly hit. So that was one way of picking the stock. The next way how you can pick, the second way how you can pick a stock is, for example, let's say market is neutral, it is not even going that side, not even going this side. So that time you are confused which side to go. So during that time, you can just go to the indices. So market indices. So if you go to this market indices, you have this Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 200, all this information here. If you scroll down, you get sectoral indices. So you get bank related stocks, auto, financial stocks, IT, media, and etc. So try to see which sector is dominating at that particular time. So let's say if now currently it's end of the day, so if you see both sides is dominating, so if you are negative, let's say these are positive. Let's say morning it was negative, so I will go to auto sector. So market was negative, I went to the negative sector, and I will try to see which is the negative stock for that day. So let's say Eicher Motor, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge were the stocks. Maybe you would have betted on Eicher Motor, okay, that particular time. Now when I say trading time, right, after 12 I normally don't consider it as a good time, because you see how market went up and down also. In this example, you see how it went and later it turned up. So I try to finish my trade before 12 o'clock most of the time. If I try to miss out, I'll not go and catch it back. So you can also make it a habit, or you can observe. I'm just telling my experience. You can observe and try to find out the answer. It is working for most of the people. So anyways, this is the second way how we can pick a stock. The sector is negative and the market is negative and the stock is negative. If market recovers also, your sector will support, because the whole sector is falling. Some people are bullish on this. People want to sell off their shares. So automatically these tend to have a negative impact. So just a little bit safer. Same way, if it was some other sector, then let's say if it was positive sector, you would have taken any positive stock for that particular, let's say which sector is in positive. Let's say metal and pharma both were in positive. So you may go to pharma and you'll say top green stock. So maybe Cipla was a stock, you would have taken entry and scalped 0.3% based on entry, based on let's say price action technique. That is secondary part. So you could have picked the stocks here, bullish and bearish stocks, okay, trending stocks. So people are putting money here. So you know that when people are putting money to take advantage, you are going to scalp only 0.3% from their advantage, right? So that is the only logic we are applying. We are trying to identify the behavior of lot of crowd, where they are investing money, where they are pushing an entry. That's the basic idea what we use in our scalping. Third way is very simple. See, everybody will have a watch list, whichever website you are using or whichever Demat account you are using, you will have your watch list and you'll have some stocks in your list always, right? So you will be knowing most of the stocks behavior, how they move and everything. I would preferably say have stocks within Nifty 100, not more than that. All these stocks which are within Nifty 100, quality stocks, okay? Nifty 50 will be very good, but Nifty 100 is fine. So suddenly when you see, let's say you would have seen me going against the market. Sometimes if you see the market was negative and suddenly a stock is going positive here, I know the stock, something good is happening, because regularly everything is in negative. I watch my watch list and let's say Adani Ports or Lupin is suddenly going up. Then I will check out Lupin. Okay, Lupin is going up, maybe something good news. Maybe I will scalp some money in Lupin, right? So no matter the whole market is falling, the sentiments is negative, there is some stock which is going up and up. Ensure that stock is trading near its own high. It should not be like the stock made a high and it is now trading in the middle. So that's the reason you need to check the high of the stock. If the current price of the Lupin is trading near the high, it can again break out and break out. That means buyers are pushing in such a way that, you know, active traders are pushing and breaking all the resistance zone. Even though there is negative impact in the market or overall sentiment of the market, here it is going up and up. So the logic is there are a lot of buyers here. It's time for us to scalp 0.3 from this particular stock. So that's one logic which you can apply. You can have your own watch list and, you know, keep observing this. You will find some difference when you see everything is going in red and one is going in positive, or everything is going in positive, one is going in red. You can take advantage, something bad or good be happening. Last one is very simple. If you're using Zerodha, you will have this, or maybe Streak, whoever has it, you will get it. So if you go to technicals in Zerodha, you will get this option called scanner. So in scanner, you have a lot of options. I will not explain everything. It will take a lot of time. So you can just scroll to the intraday bullish. So there are a lot of stocks in Nifty 100 or Nifty 50, which is 10 minute super trend, bullish signal, bullish money flow trend, intraday bullish trending stocks. You can watch out these stocks at that particular time during the morning time when you trade, and then put it in your radar as your stocks, okay? And ensure if market is green, try to take a stock which has highest green in percentage. If market is negative, try to take a stock. This is bullish, right? So you need to go to bearish. So if you go here, you will get bearish stocks. So whichever has highest negative value. So for buy side, bullish should be highest percentage. Top stocks, here top stocks in the list, okay? If the stock has not moved much towards green or negative, ignore them, all right? So you can utilize these stocks into your radar for watching these stocks. So these are the ways how you can pick a stock and later take advantage by observing whether I need to go for an entry or not, whatever. Let's say you're learning price action now, we are learning price action. You're drawing simple lines of finding some pivot lines and understanding where's the resistance and support. Should I enter now? Should I enter, not enter now? Or using some technicals or RSI indicators by understanding it's an overbought, oversold, I should not enter now. Let me wait, after some time I'll get an entry. No, this third stock has got an entry. This method is not helping. Maybe I'll go to the next method. I'll just see which any stock is there in any way. Am I getting an entry in that? If it is not working, it is fine. I'll go to the third or fourth method. So like that, lot of methods, unlimited methods which you can do. Only thing you need to be, you have to test these methods. You have to practice. I'm doing it from a lot of years, so these things are like common things for me. Just pick within few seconds and then start analyzing whether I should enter or not, all that assumptions. So if a lot of things are telling me yes, you can go, and few things are saying no, somewhere doubtful. If a lot of things are logics are supporting it, that is when I take an entry, and all those things happen. That is a secondary. But anyways, how to pick a stock for scalping? This is the easy 4 methods which I have taught you. First, you can paper trade this and learn. If these things are helping you in paper trade in the future, whenever you're planning for trading, you can just try this out. So hope this learning video helped you guys in your learning journey. If you like such videos, hit that like and support. Also, let me know in comments what do you feel on intraday scalping and how your intraday scalping is going on. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.